Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare our paper for our radial design project. We're going to start with the bottom left corner and we're going to bend it and we're going to bring it up to the top, and we're going to make sure that we align the top edge of the paper to the corner. And then if you have a bone folder, you can use a bone folder to smooth it out. If you don't have a bone folder, it's okay. All right, then we're going to open it up and we're going to take the top right corner and we're going to follow our diagonal line all the way down. And we're going to look at that bottom edge, that bottom corner. We're going to make sure that they're as lined up as best we can. And then we're going to open it up and we have an X. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab the bottom of the paper and we're going to bring it up. We're going to match the corners of the paper. And then we are going to fold on that and open it up. So now we have made 3 folds. The 4th fold is we're going to make a fold that goes right through here. So I'm going to look at the top corners and the bottom corners and we're going to line them up with the other side. So we're going to fold it over. We're going to line it up, top and bottom. Smooth it out. All right, and then we're going to take the right side. We're going to line it up with this crease. We're going to fold it, and then we're going to cut off these squares. Grab your scissor. Cut off these squares. This is our nice paper for our project, and this is where we're going to practice our designs. So we're going to cut these into squares. We're going to fold to make a right triangle. Now we have a line that we can cut on. Put our squares together. We're going to use these to practice what we'd like to do for our design. So you could practice up your different words on these. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to use our triangle designs to create our radial design in the square. So we had some time to design our triangle, so I used the word love as my inspiration, and we talked about how we wanted to make sure that our letters touched the hypotenuse and the 2 legs of our right triangle. So what we're going to do is we are going to trace this using the light table so it's plugged in. We turn it on and I'm going to decide where should I put my design to start the trace. I'm going to pick one place to put my right triangle. Then I'm going to trace my design. So once I trace my design, I can take the triangle and put it away. All right, so now we're just focusing on this one part of the design. All right, so I like the way that this looks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the entire design and I'm gonna fold it. So I have my line of symmetry, right? So I wanna take this side and have it be bilateral symmetry on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna draw right here. So I'm gonna take my design I'm going to trace it. So this way, when I open up my design, now I have this interesting design. To continue my design, I'm gonna fold it so that I can see the design, and then I'm gonna flip it over so that way I can see my new design in the square. Over here, I missed this one line. Okay. when you open up your design, you can make all your marks kind of connect if you've missed anything. All right, so now that I have half of the design done, the last half of the design is gonna go here. So I've done half of the design. We're gonna do the last half of the design. Okay, so now I am done with my design. So we started off with just this one, right? So make sure you put your name on the back.